Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHFS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. And a nice movement. I mean, I don't mean to state the obvious when I say that, but to build context from where it was at its lows just on Wednesday, and now you look at where the price has moved to. That's been a very nice move, but that does it to the valid question. But is there any sort of true power behind this movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make some levels we can use some levels that make that question very straightforward. And the first level to keep an eye on, and the level that's very helpful in my opinion at least, is right there at 80 cents. Why is 80 cents important? Well, and I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but in the event the price were to come down here to 80 and then keep on going, what would that be doing to the price? Well, at that point, from a very literal angle of things, that'd be putting the price right back to where it was at these lows. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side, because I mean, no price can go straight up. So let's say the price comes down here, behaves in this manner, then starts to work its way back upwards. Well, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, there you go. Now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And, you know, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress. So keep an eye on that 80-cent mark. That is literally representing the progress point. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, key level to watch going into Friday, going to be right up here at the 89-cent mark. You go through the history of things, you can see 89 cents presented some problems. So I'm not saying the price can't break through that level, but it's become quite apparent that that's definitely going to be the big hurdle that will need to be cleared if there is going to be any sort of upwards continuation that occurs. But all in all, it'll be very interesting to see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.